Now I can actually show you what the finished product is going to look like down here. So I've just put this onto a test website. Here is the embeddable little bubble down the corner, which we can easily put onto client sites. We can click that and it's going to pop up with the bot. Hi, I'm Joseph, your AI martial arts assistant from Superstar Martial Arts. What brought you here today? So then we get through these nice buttons, which are built into the UI. You don't have to mess around with it too much. Martial arts for myself. Essentially, it's going to guide us along a conversation, collect some important information, and then try to push us to the booking pages. So that's great. A martial arts program was designed specifically for adults, so it's making me feel like this is exactly what I'm looking for, essentially. Okay, I want to learn self-defense. Do you have a martial art in mind? Let's do MMA. Great choice. MMA combines different martial arts, which are great for self-defense. So it feels like it's personalized and feels like it's making me think that the product that they're going to sell me is ideal for what I'm looking for, which is self-defense, and I'm an adult. Would you like more information on how to get started? Sure, tell me more. Best way to try a program is to see what's right for you, and then we can book a trial here by clicking this link, and that will send the potential customer straight to the booking page. Do you have any questions regarding getting started? Now here's the lead capture. If I say email me the info, so we have an info pack essentially you can send out. So now I can provide my email and my full name. And now what's happened in the back end there is that we've taken all of that information. We've taken the answers that I said, which I'm an adult. I'm looking for self-defense classes that are MMA focused. It's taken all of that information, attached it to my email and name, and then they have that in the Google Sheet to start their email marketing to. Now you may be thinking this doesn't sound very AI enabled, but you'd be wrong. This last bit here is really the key AI functionality, which is a open loop of being able to ask questions to a knowledge base. So do you have any further questions? Yes. What we have is a knowledge base that's been ingested and put into Stack AI, but also into botpress as well. What would you like to know? I can ask questions to the knowledge base, which is what martial arts do you offer? Now it's going to query the knowledge base. Do you have any further questions? Yes. Can my 8-year-old start classes? Yes, children as young as 4 can start classes, and the program is great for kids aged 4 to 14. Do you have any further questions? Now, this is an open loop where we're essentially able to ask questions to this knowledge base until we have all of the information that we want.